Hello everyone! Welcome to Unicorn World. Today our unicorn friends will take you on an adventure to explore the zoo. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi, I'm Ruby the Red Unicorn. Our first stop is to see the majestic lions. Lions are known as the king of the jungle and live in groups called prides. They love to roar loudly to communicate with each other. Can you roar like a lion?
Hello, I'm Oliver the Orange Unicorn. Let's visit the elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals and have long trunks that they use to drink water and grab food. They also have big ears to help keep them cool. Can you pretend to have a long trunk like an elephant?
Hi there, I'm Yara the Yellow Unicorn. Over here we have the tall giraffes. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world, and their long necks help them reach leaves high up in trees. Did you know that a giraffe's tongue can be up to 18 inches long? Can you stretch your neck like a giraffe?
Hey, I'm Gary the Green Unicorn. Let's hop over to see the playful monkeys. Monkeys are very smart and love to swing from tree to tree using their tails and limbs. They eat fruits, leaves, and insects. Can you pretend to swing like a monkey?
Hi, I'm Billy the Blue Unicorn. Now let's wade into the water to meet the hippos. Hippos spend a lot of time in water to stay cool. They are huge animals with large mouths and teeth. Can you open your mouth wide like a hippo?
Hello, I'm Percy, the purple unicorn. Let's visit the striped zebras. Zebras are known for their black and white stripes, which are unique to each individual. They live in herds and are very social animals. Can you gallop like a zebra?
Hi, I'm Rose the Pink Unicorn. Over here, we have the colourful parrots. Parrots are known for their bright feathers and their ability to mimic sounds. Some parrots can even learn to talk. Can you squawk like a parrot?
Hey, I'm Sylvie the Silver Unicorn. Let's visit the speedy cheetahs. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals and can run up to 60 miles per hour. They have long, gay-jump legs and a slender body, perfect for sprinting. Can you run fast like a cheetah?
Goodbye from the zoo, our adventure's done. We learned about animals and had so much fun. With our unicorn friends, the magic never ends. See you next time, when the fun begins. We saw the lions roar, so mighty and strong. And the elephants with trunks so long. Giraffes reaching high, monkeys swinging by. Cheetahs running fast under the sky.
Wow, that was so much fun! Thanks for joining us on this zoo adventure. Remember, learning about animals helps us appreciate the amazing world we live in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Bye for now!
Next time, when the fun begins.